Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing cute lollipops. I'm using an iPad Pro with the Procreate app. Now you don't need this to follow along. You can use a white sheet of paper, a black marker for outline, and markers and crayons for coloring in. Now I've already gone and created two layers, the outline layer and the color layer. The outline layer is where we're going to be using our black marker for outline, and the color layer is where we're going to be coloring. If you're using a white sheet of paper, you can go and grab a black marker. So I'm going to grab a black color and just a standard brush, and then I'm going to start with the lollipop. So in Procreate, if you want to create a perfect circle, all you have to do is draw a circle. See how crooked that is? But don't let go of your Apple Pencil. And if you use your other finger and just press anywhere on the screen, it creates a perfect circle. See if I let go and if I hold it. So since I'm drawing two, I'm not going to make it too big. Let me just erase that. Okay, so I'm going to draw another lollipop. And if you're on a white sheet of paper, you can just draw another circle, but in Procreate, I'm just gonna duplicate this. So I'm gonna swipe left and hit duplicate. Just grab my marquee tool. And I think I wanna put it like kind of right behind it. Then I'm just gonna erase this part because I want one lollipop in front of the other. Then I'm going to merge these two layers just by clicking it and merge down. So now it's one layer. And I'm just going to move it up. And then we can draw the sticks. Again, if you hold the pencil, not let go, a straight line will appear. Okay, and then we can now start with the eyes. And I'm going to draw a little circle here. He has two little circles for the pupil, so you don't want to color in there. Same thing for the other eye. Then we can draw the mouth. Now, how cute would it be if they just had just a tiny bit of eyelashes? So now we're ready to color. So on this right lollipop, I'm gonna make a rainbow lollipop. All right, so we're ready to color them in. So let's make sure we're in the color layer. I'm gonna do a rainbow lollipop on this one. So I'm gonna start with the red. Then I just have to move my color wheel a little bit and then get to orange. Then next is like a yellow. Then we're going to be at a green. Okay, then we're gonna go all the way to blue. I guess we can do it turquoise. Oops, let me just erase this part. Okay, next we can do a blue. Then purple. Then a pink. Actually, let's do in between a pink and a purple. And then we'll end with a pink. there is your rainbow lollipop. All right, so for the second lollipop, I'm gonna do a light pink. Maybe just have like a little chocolate layer on top of that. I think I want it a bit lighter. Maybe on this pink lollipop, you can have a bit of a chocolate, I guess, icing on the top. So let's go back to our outline layer and grab the black. And we can put a little bit of icing on here. Go back to our color layer and grab this chocolate color. And then we can put some sprinkles on there. Let's grab a white. We're just gonna do tiny little straight marks. Maybe we can add some yellow. Some blue. All right, let's draw this stick. So we can keep it white or we can do something more interesting. Let's do a light brown. I think I want to put a bow right here. So I'm going to go back to my outline layer and just erase a little bit of this black. And I realize if you are on a piece of paper, it's going to be hard. So I'm really sorry about that. But I'm just going to make a circle right here. Or maybe you can just draw over what you did. I'll just grab this pink, just make it a bit darker. All right, guys, there you go. There are your cute lollipops.